Hello everyone, welcome back to the Net24 channel. If you are planning to study in Poland in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we will walk you through the entire application process, from choosing a university and preparing your document to understand the latest admission requirements. Let's get started.
The first step is deciding what you want to study. Ask yourself, what subject interests me? Do I want to study a bachelor's degree, master's degree, or a foundation program? Would I like to study in a large city such as Warsaw or Krakow, or in a smaller student city such as Lublin? When choosing a university, compare tuition fees, location, scholarships, and program content. Admission requirements vary depending on the university and program. However, most universities will ask for passport diploma or school certificate, academic transcripts, proof of English language proficiency, passport photo, motivation letter or CV if required. Always check the official admission requirements before applying. International students applying to Poland should be aware of important new regulations. Many universities are now required to verify language proficiency at a minimum B2 level in the language of instruction, whether the program is taught in English or Polish. Universities may require recognized certificates or other accepted proof of language proficiency. In addition, educational documents are now being checked more carefully. Applicants from some countries outside the European Union, EFTA, OECD, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, China, and Ukraine may also need additional recognition of their secondary school diploma through the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange, known as NAWA. Requirements can differ depending on nationality and university, so always verify the latest information directly with your chosen institution. Preparing documents often takes longer than students expect. Some documents may require sworn translation, apostille legalization, additional verification. Start preparing your documents as early as possible. This can save you a lot of stress later. Once your documents are ready, you can submit your application. Many universities accept online applications through their own systems or recruitment platforms such as Net24Apply. Before submitting, make sure that all uploaded documents are complete and clearly visible. Incomplete applications may delay the admission process. After reviewing your documents, universities may issue either a conditional offer or an unconditional offer. A conditional offer means that you still need to provide additional documents or meet certain requirements. An unconditional offer means that you have successfully met all admission requirements. To apply for a Polish student visa, you will usually need to provide proof of enrollment and confirmation of tuition payment. Depending on the university and the requirements of the Polish consulate in your country, you may be asked to show proof of payment for either the first semester or the full first year of tuition. If you are from outside the European Union, your next step will usually be applying for a national visa type D. Typical visa documents include admission letter, passport, health insurance, proof of accommodation, proof of financial resources, proof of language proficiency if required. Always check the official website of the Polish embassy or consulate responsible for your country because visa requirements may differ. Once your visa is approved, it's time to prepare for your move to Poland. Book accommodation, purchase travel tickets, arrange insurance, and remember to bring all original documents with you. If you're ready to begin your study journey, you can explore universities and apply completely free of charge through the Net24Apply platform. The link is available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more study abroad guides.